Sir, as you know, the print media along with the audio visual virtual media that is coming up has also gained importance. You have just touched this point that NBT is now into e-books, audiobooks, etc. Will you please elaborate on this?
Yeah, this is the demand, this is the need of the time, because the way the world is moving, the way technology intervention has taken place, people have accepted that this is the new domain that we have to really explore. Of course, there will be a demand for the physical books, but a segment of the society has already switched to e-books. So whatever books we are going to produce in future, they are also going to have e-content, so that we can cater the need for both these segments. And I feel not only e-books, the audiobooks are also going to be in big demand. And the way this Digital India campaign is going and the digital outreach is increasing, I feel over a period of time, all our schools will be digitally connected and the content will have both the formats going simultaneously. So we have to move ahead of the time, plan in time, and execute as per a specific timeline so that we can be relevant